Welcome to Everyday English Tips. Today's story is titled, How a Stranger Changed My Life Forever. This is the heartwarming story of Ayan, a young man lost in the noise of life, struggling with fear, failure, and a dream that seemed too far away. He had no job, no confidence, and no direction. But one cold morning, something unexpected happened. He met a stranger, just a simple man in the park. That meeting lasted only a few minutes. But the words that stranger said changed Ayan's life forever. Let's discover how a small act of kindness transformed a lost soul into a confident English speaker and a new person. Ayan had been unemployed for 6 months. Every day he sent out resumes. Every day he received no replies. He blamed himself. He believed his English wasn't good enough. He stopped meeting friends. He stopped smiling. One morning he went to the park near his apartment. The sun was barely up and the air was cold. He sat on a bench, his hands in his pockets, eyes fixed on the ground. "I'm tired," he whispered to himself. "Maybe I'm just not good enough." A soft voice interrupted his thoughts. "Are you okay, young man?" Ayan looked up. An old man stood beside him. He had kind eyes and a warm smile. "I'm fine," Ayan replied quietly. The old man sat next to him. "I've seen you here before," he said, "always sitting alone." Ayan gave a weak smile. "Yeah, just thinking. Thinking is good," the man said. "But don't let your thoughts bury you." Ayan was silent. Then, without thinking, he opened up. "I can't find a job. My English is not perfect. No one wants to hire." The old man nodded slowly. "Let me tell you a secret," he said. "I didn't speak English until I was 40. Ayan looked at him, surprised. "I was a farmer. Then I lost everything, so I came to the city. I didn't know how to speak. I didn't even know how to say hello correctly. But I started learning. One sentence a day, one word at a time." Ayan listened closely. The man smiled again. "And now I work part-time at a school library, helping students learn to read." The old man reached into his coat and pulled out a small folded paper. He handed it to Ayan. It read, "Storms make trees take deeper roots." "What does that mean?" Ayan asked. "It means challenges make us stronger," the man replied. "Your English isn't the problem, it's your fear. Start small. Speak a little every day. Read out loud. Watch English news. Talk to strangers. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from trying. Even when you're afraid." The next morning, Ayan did something different. He stood in front of his mirror and read one paragraph from an English newspaper, out loud. He stumbled, he mispronounced, but he kept going. Then he watched a 5-minute English video on YouTube. Then another. Then he started writing 3 new English words in a notebook each day. He remembered the stranger's words, one word at a time. After a week, Ayan joined a free English conversation group at the local library. He was nervous at first. His hands shook when he introduced himself. But the group welcomed him warmly. Every week he spoke a little more. He learned new phrases, practiced with others, and laughed at his own mistakes. He even made friends. For the first time in months, Ayan felt hopeful. One day, Ayan saw a job opening at a travel company. It required basic English communication. He hesitated, then applied. During the interview, he spoke slowly but clearly. He made a few grammar mistakes, but he smiled. He explained himself confidently. The manager looked impressed. "You're not perfect," she said, "but I see potential and effort." Ayaan got the job. Months passed. Ayaan started giving small presentations at work. He took calls, replied to emails, even helped tourists in English. His voice became steadier. His words became smoother. He never saw that old man again. But he carried the paper with him, folded in his wallet. Every time he felt weak, he opened it and read, "Storms make trees take deeper roots." Today, Ayaan helps others who are afraid to speak English. He runs an online group for English learners, sharing simple tips, daily practice ideas, and his own story. He always says, fluency doesn't come from fear, it comes from action. The stranger gave him a moment of kindness. That moment became a spark. That spark became a fire. And that fire changed his life forever. If Ayaan's story touched your heart, remember, one kind word can change a life. One small step can start your journey. Thank you for listening. If you found this story helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful English learning stories. And always remember, your voice matters.